Wagwan, the Jamaican proverb for today. Show me your company and me tell you who you are. Meaning, people will judge you based on the company you keep or the people that you hang around with. And it also have to do with the power of association. Because if you hang out with a certain type of people, you'll most likely become like them. People will judge you based on the company that you keep. Even if you're not like them, people see you all the time with those type of people, they'll automatically think that you're just like them. So be careful of the company that you keep, right? That's it for this video. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Big up on yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.